Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam and today we are back with another After Effects banger. And without talking too much, let's get straight into the video. First of all, you open up After Effects. Let's create a new composition, 1920 by 1080, 24 frames per second, 5 seconds. Click on OK. So first of all, I go down to my file manager here and import my logo. Drag and drop it into After Effects. That's awesome. Let's scale it down. Now the next thing we're going to do is I want to convert this PNG into a shape layer. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, come over to layer here, auto trace, then you can leave with the default settings. Make sure your channel is at alpha and click on OK. That's awesome. So now I come down here, let's click new shape layer. I come to my first PNG file here. I open up the mask. I click on U, show me all keyframe, and I select all the keyframes, that is 1, 2, and 3, and I copy it. Now come back to my shape layer here, open it up, add parts. I duplicate these 2 and 3. So what we're going to do, let's select the 3 of them, open them up, create keyframes, then you paste the already copied keyframe from the first one. Now come down here to add, click on fill. Now let's scale it down a little bit. Okay, now let's see it. Okay, as you can see, let's shut up our bottom layer. As you can see, our Sam is showing, but this last layer here is a problem, so we're going to fix that soon. So same thing, let's go back here again, open it up, some content, let's do add merge parts. Now let's carry our third part and put it under the merge part. And if you check it out now, you can see that our space is clear now. That is awesome. Let's do one more, add stroke, and let's change the stroke to 1.5. So next thing I'm going to do, we are going to shut off the fill. So we come over to fill here, click on it, and click on this first option. Okay, so as you can see, only the white outline is being shown. Next thing I'm going to do again is we're going to add and trim parts. Now make sure your trim part is below part 3. If not, the third part is not going to animate. So let's open it up. Your start to 0 and your end to 0. Now make a keyframe for the start, come to around 1.5 seconds here and increase it to 100. Come down here for your offset, change it to 50. So let's play it back. Exactly, and this is looking awesome. Select these two, F9 to easy use. Now let's shut off everything here. Let's duplicate this layer. Now let's cut it, Ctrl Shift D, delete the first part. Now for this one, for our fill, we are going to use white. Then we are going to remove our stroke. This is looking good. Let's play back. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to come down here, left click, and create a new adjustment layer. Now go to the effects and presets panel here and type in CC light burst. Light burst 0.5. apply it on our adjustment layer here. The next thing I'm going to do is you're going to come to our intensity here and increase it by 150. You come to our real length and increase it by 200. I'll increase it to 200. Now make 2 keyframes on intensity and real length. Move backward 10 keyframes by using shift page up. Change the intensity to 0 and the real length to 0. Now we use shift page down to move forward 3 times by 30 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. Then change the intensity to 0 and the real length to 0. Now let's check out the playback. And this is looking amazing already. So the next thing I'm going to do is let's create a background. So let's zoom out by using a ruler. Let's select this layer and pre-compose it first. Move all attributes into the new composition. Click on OK. New, solid. Now let's come to effect and presets and search for gradients. The gradient ramp, apply it on it. Change the linear ramp to radial ramp. Move this to the middle and move this guy outside. And let's swap the colors. Now change the start color to ash, and we have a cool looking gradient background already. So the last thing I'm going to do is going to move to my file manager here. I'm going to provide the project file in my video description. Move this scratch file into After Effects and drop it. Change the mode to screen. Now what it does, it adds these scratches and noise to our video. Now come to our pre-comp here, click on S and reduce the size somewhere around here. I don't think that. So this is looking cool. Now let's play it back. So I think there's a problem. I pre-composed my folder a bit too early. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my pre-compose folder here. Select this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my shape layers, click on S, and let's scale it down a little bit more. So around here. Now I select everything here. Let's click and decompose one more time. Move all attributes. Okay. Now come to the beginning here. Click on S to bring out your scale properties. Make a keyframe to the end of your timeline here and increase it to 110. Move it outward a little bit. Now let's play back. Now let's make it look a little bit more cinematic. Select your square here and let's make a mask on it. Now let's move the mask down a little bit. And this is looking good. So guys, thank you for joining my video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, write a comment in my comment section if you want me to go over another video in another tutorial. Until next time, I remain King Sam.